We want you to know that Rob is, in fact, a team player.
Yes, I have a red tie. I went to put it on and I said, oh, there's some stain on it. I'm not going to be able to wear that on the air. So it's here,
Yeah,
but
he's here.
Yeah,
He's representing.
I promise. I'm trying.
Yes, no, we appreciate
You get your
it.
credit.
Yes.
Hopefully, yes. Hey, I've been watching some of the cameras and you can, it was a lot of sunshine today.
Yes.
That was nice, but we're starting to see those clouds really picking up. I know, not going to have a lot of sunshine for tomorrow. It's going to be more rain than anything else, but there is a little chance for some freezing rain as well. So let me kind of dive right in, show you what to expect. If you're heading out for your evening or perhaps you have Saturday plans, you're definitely going to want to pay attention to this. And this is the camera that I was mentioning because from this vantage point, we are looking to the south, and off to the south, you can see this band of clouds. It's trying to march its way to the north. As it does so, it's bringing more moisture into the atmosphere. But until it gets here, our temperatures are going to be able to drop. Now, we're currently sitting at 37. This isn't too far off from where we should be for this time of year, but the temperatures may be able to get down to or perhaps a little bit below freezing. Also notice there's just not a lot of moisture with this. I do think we'll see some drizzle or some light rain overnight, and if it falls into temperatures that are below freezing, we could see a little glaze of icing. It should be relatively minimal, but I want to let you know of that. If you're going to be out overnight tonight, perhaps driving, watch for some of the elevated bridges and overpasses. But boy, look at this. Colder air is in place. Look at the warmer temperatures to the south. This is some of that warmer air that's riding over top of this cold air that's in place. That's why anything that falls tonight, if we get down to near freezing, is going to be falling as liquid, as rain, as opposed to snow showers, because the air mass that's trying to move in is really rather warm. As you look at the temperatures, Houston at 80, 76 in Atlanta, and then you see that dramatic cold front that's in place. Temperatures expected to drop down below freezing overnight tonight. I think probably after about 9 o'clock, we'll start to see the temperatures drop below freezing. We could have a little bit of very light drizzle. There's going to be a window of about maybe 4 to 6 hours for many of you where we could see the temperatures go below freezing. But those clouds that I mentioned, they're actually going to warm us up. They're going to help the temperatures to stay at least milder and may actually help the temperatures to gain a couple of degrees. That could be critical if we're very close to freezing. There's a little bit of that light moisture in the form of some drizzle, but by early morning we should, for most locations, be near or above freezing by that point and rising through the day. The heaviest of the showers, not necessarily heavy, but heavier than the rest of the day, will likely arrive around midday before getting out of here into Saturday evening. If you have Saturday evening plans, I think the rain will be out of here. Temperatures should stay above freezing until the clouds move out. We'll drop into the 20s, and your Sunday not looking so bad. I think most of this cloudiness may be in the form of some high thin clouds, but we're still going to call that a mostly cloudy day. Freezing drizzle possible for tonight. Temperatures right around 30, give or take a few degrees either side of that, depending on how quickly those clouds move in. Looking ahead to tomorrow, keeping rain in the forecast, but really more of a drizzle or a light rain until about midday as the temperatures continue to warm up. There's your weekend forecast. Let's call it mostly cloudy for your Sunday. And then looking ahead to what we expect for this weekend, I do think we'll see temperatures warming up. My 7-day doesn't want to pop up, of course, because it's going to behave like that, but I'll definitely show you the 7-day forecast coming up.